So that wraps up the material on classes for this module. I do want to make it a point and stress this that there's a lot more to classes. This is just an introduction. There is a lot more functionality out there, and it will be covered at a later time. But I also want to focus that you have now the firepower to create programs to complete the vast majority of tasks or games or applications now that we've gotten through classes. So this was sort of the last big piece that was yet to be covered. There's of course a lot more to Python, but really with the knowledge you have now all the way up through classes, you can basically do anything. You have a lot of firepower under your belt, and this is the time where we're going to shift our focus in this class to these smaller programs into making much more larger and more complex programs. So it took us a long time to get to this point, but I really wanted to drive home a lot of these fundamentals and make sure that we understand these before moving further. So now that we have these fundamentals, we can really branch out. We can really make some cool games, do some other cool projects, and some more interesting applications.